Hey there YouTube, another Tourist High Point production coming at you. My name's Ray Shepherd. I recently got back into motorcycling and took an eye-opener, I guess, or took something with a grain of salt. Had to watch some guys totally lose their minds. Seen a few people jumping up and down, stomping their feet, doing the 3-year-old temper tantrum, and these were adult males. Well, what happened? What was it over? Okay, I'm one of those people that, it either is or it isn't. It's, with a motorcycle, it's stock or it's a chopper. Well, no. That's the stock or a chopper. That's it. Okay? And you don't want to know the guys that I'm talking about? CafeRacer, Brat, Chopper, Tracker, Brat Bob, Scrambler, Bobber, American or Euro. You put a saw to that bike to do anything to alter it from stock, you have just chopped it. It's a chopper. Go have your aneurysm. Go freak out. Don't try to sit there and tell me, no, a chopper's longer wheelbase. A bobber's not a CafeRacer. Did you put a saw to it? Did you chop it? Then you go running away like a little 2-year-old schoolgirl. It's a chopper, irregardless. I don't care how long it is, how long the wheelbase is. I don't care that it looks shorter. I don't care that it looks shorter. I don't care that it looks lowered. Did you put a saw to it and chop something off of it? You made a chopper, irregardless. Well, whether you want to call it CafeRacer, whether you want to call it the Brat, whether you want to call it, oh, this one's actually a chopper, whether you want to call it a tracker, whether you want to call it, oh, this one's a Brat Bob, whether you want to call it, oh, this one's a Scrambler, whether you want to call it, this one's a Bobber. You stuck the saw to it, you chopped it. It's a chopper. Point blank. Any other name you want to add to it, that's you. That's not me. You bring me a sawed-off bike, it's a chopper. I don't care if I hurt your feelings. I don't care if I make you cry. You chopped it, it's a chopper. This has been a Tourist High Point production. I choose, therefore I am responsible.